Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I adjust a recipe when things go wrong. I was going to make these spinach lasagna roll-ups and try something new, and I opened up my lasagna package, poured it into my pot of water, and every single piece of lasagna was broken. And I was like, well, I guess we're gonna have to improvise on the spot. So instead of lasagna roll-ups, we're just gonna be making spinach lasagna. So the first thing we're gonna do is take about 2 cups of frozen spinach. We are just going to microwave this in 30-second intervals until it is thawed through. In the meantime, we're gonna make our white sauce to go with this lasagna. I'm gonna go ahead and melt our butter, and to this I'm going to add in equal parts of flour. For all of the measurements, make sure to check the description below. And I'm gonna give that a good whisk. And you're gonna whisk this for about a minute just to really get rid of that raw flour taste. And then we're gonna go in with our whipping cream, and I'm gonna whisk as I pour it in gradually. It's just gonna make sure the sauce comes out nice and smooth, and you want it to be thick enough to just coat the back of a spoon. We're gonna then season our sauce with some salt and pepper to taste, and just give that a thorough whisk and then set that aside. Back over to our spinach, which we have now thawed. You can see some of the water has released, but we want to get rid of all of that water in there. And we're going to do that by just taking handfuls, and we're just going to squeeze as much water out of the spinach as possible. And make sure to have an extra bowl on the side just so you have something to put the now dried spinach into. And we're just going to go ahead and repeat this with the rest of the spinach. Now we're going to go ahead and add in about 1.5 cups worth of ricotta cheese. I'm then going to go ahead and add in 3 tablespoons of ground parmesan cheese, as well as season it with some salt and pepper. And you're just going to go in with about 1 teaspoon of each, and then we're just going to mix all of it together until it is thoroughly combined. Should I have used a bigger bowl? Yes. Am I refusing to dirty another bowl? Also, yes. On to the assembly of the lasagna. We're gonna start with just a little bit of that sauce on the bottom of our lasagna dish, and you do this so that your lasagna doesn't stick to the bottom. Go ahead, put on a layer of lasagna noodles, add another layer of sauce, then go in with 1/3 of your spinach and cheese mixture. And then just level out that layer with your fingertips. Go in with 1/3 of your mozzarella cheese, and then you're just going to repeat those layers. So without further ado, just enjoy the montage. Now that we're on our final layer, we're going to add on all of the rest of the sauce as well as all of the cheese that is remaining. And we're going to take our lasagna dish and we are going to place it onto a baking tray. I do this with all of my lasagnas, so that way if anything drips or bubbles over, it falls into the tray. We're going to bake at 350 for about 45 minutes until this top becomes slightly golden as it is here. And with that, guys, we are done this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you do, hit the thumbs up, subscribe for new videos every week, hit the notification bell so you know every time I upload, and comment below for what you guys want to see me do next on this channel. And until next time, guys, bye!